Well, hello, and welcome back to the Snowbird Biker YouTube channel. It's a beautiful day here in Nova Scotia, and I wasn't really making the most of it. I was sitting around the house, really doing nothing, just having a coffee, or two, or three, and looking at Facebook.
In 600 meters, turn right onto Ellerhouse Road, Ellerhouse Road.
Oh, you may notice hear a navigation prompt occasionally. The area here is a little unfamiliar, so I'm using the GPS to guide me. Anyway, I was sitting there, and someone posted some pictures of Dawson Falls. It looked really nice, and I thought, man, I should go out and check it out. So,
Continue on Ellerhouse Road for 1.5 kilometers.
okay, we'll continue on Ellerhouse Road. And Dawson Falls is near Ellerhouse. So, hopefully it'll be a nice waterfall. It sure looked good in the pictures. It's pretty much back roads and very little traffic. So it's a nice ride as well. Oh, really looking forward to it. My GPS indicates that we're supposed to turn left just up ahead. I'm not sure what the condition of these side roads is going to be, but I guess we'll find out soon enough.
Turn left onto William Road. In 600 meters, turn left.
So far, the roads have been in great condition coming here. Sometimes when we go to see these Nova Scotia waterfalls, you got to get off the beaten track, and that usually leads to some rough going at times. But looks like today it's
turn left.
Yeah, looks like we're into some mostly nice roads. Well,
continue for 2 kilometers.
Maybe I spoke too soon. We'll see. When it comes to roads like these, I'm glad I'm riding the Pan America rather than my Road Glide Ultra, because I really didn't enjoy those gravel roads on that big bike. Anyway, this is not too bad. It's sort of a nice gravel road. lot of people aren't aware of it, but Nova Scotia has numerous waterfalls, and some are quite spectacular. There's Egypt Falls, which is a beautiful waterfall in Cape Breton. And, oh, there's dozens of others. I'm not sure about Dawson Brook Falls. I hadn't heard of it before, but it looked nice in the pictures.
In 400 meters, turn right.
So we have the turn right ahead. The roads seem to be getting progressively worse as we get closer to the falls, so I'm not expecting any improvement.
Turn right.
Cars parked right there. Probably people parked their cars and walked into the falls. Well, we should be
In
able to
600
make it.
meters, you will arrive at your destination.
Yeah. Okay, let's go. Oh, this road's not too bad. So, if it doesn't get any worse than this, should be great. A few rough spots and loose gravels here.
You have arrived.
Oh, I think I passed it. Oh, pull the bike over and maybe walk into the falls. Looks like there's a trail to the falls. Okay, the falls are on our right, but it's hard to get a view, so I'll continue walking until I get to a better lookout spot. Oh, here they are. That's a decent waterfall. I really like it. Glad I came here. Well, thank you for watching this little video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, how about a big thumbs up? And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Ring the bell. And I'll notify you when we make the next one. Take care. Have a great day. See you next week. Bye-bye.